Finding common ground. The art of connection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations: share common ground. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to connect with others in English. Let's explore what it means to share common ground, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful concept in both personal and professional communication. When people share common ground, they have mutual interests, beliefs, or experiences that bring them closer together. It's like discovering you and someone else are both fans of the same book series or have traveled to the same city. This shared aspect creates a basis for connection and often leads to more meaningful conversations and relationships. It's important to note that common ground can be found in various areas, including hobbies, values, life experiences, and professional interests. Finding and sharing common ground is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it fosters mutual understanding and respect. When you acknowledge the similarities you have with others, it becomes easier to bridge gaps and build strong relationships. Secondly, in situations of conflict or disagreement, identifying common ground can be the first step toward negotiation and resolution. It acts as a foundation from which differences can be explored more constructively. Identifying common ground requires active listening and empathy. Pay attention to what others are saying, ask questions, and share experiences. When you discover a shared interest or experience, acknowledge it. You might say, "It sounds like we both enjoy hiking. Have you ever visited the national park?" This not only shows that you're listening but also opens up the conversation for deeper connection. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be used in real-life conversations. 1. In a job interview, I noticed that we share a common ground in our passion for environmental sustainability. I believe this aligns perfectly with your company's mission. 2. Making new friends. You're also a fan of jazz music? It's great to find someone who shares common ground with me on that. 3. In a debate or discussion, despite our differences, we share common ground on the importance of education. Let's build on that to find a solution. Finding and sharing common ground is a powerful tool in communication. It helps us connect with others, understand different perspectives, and build strong relationships. Remember, the next time you're conversing with someone, listen closely and be open to discovering a common ground you might share. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English communication skills. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.